Ho guys, in this video, we will see how to make To-Do app in Java on Android. Before we start, please like and subscribe the video. Let's start. This is the source code of all the files. Let's review our app. We have added Add Task button, which adds the task. We have also added Delete and Complete button, which changes the color of background if the task is completed. We have also added Man More features. One cool feature is that we have added priority features: 1. High priority; 2. Normal priority; 3. Low priority, which has unique background red, yellow, and green. Also, we have added the date and time features for our To-Do app. Also, we have added Remainder feature. A notification will come before the due time. We can set that time. By default, its value is exactly on due time. If you love this video, like, share, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. If any query, comment. Thanks for watching.